Top news as of January 6, 2026. World news, key global developments. Venezuela situation and geopolitical impact. Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro and his wife have been arraigned in U.S. federal court after being removed from power, a dramatic shift in Venezuelan politics. This follows a U.S. military action that has grabbed attention worldwide and is influencing financial markets as investors weigh geopolitical risk. Market reaction to geopolitical events. Global stock markets, including the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq, rose as investors appeared to take the unfolding situation in Venezuela in stride, with AI technology optimism also supporting risk assets. U.S. expected to strengthen productivity lead. A Financial Times survey of economists shows most believe the U.S. will extend its productivity advantage, largely due to artificial intelligence proliferation, deep capital markets, and continued business investment. Europe, by contrast, is seen facing structural hurdles in innovation and infrastructure. U.S. economic policy signals. Recent U.S. economic data and Fed commentary suggests that interest rates may remain elevated for longer, with inflation trending lower but employment dynamics and other risks prompting caution among policymakers. Asia tech and industry growth. Asia-focused industry news highlights rapidly expanding markets, such as lithium-ion battery components and AI-based media technology investment plans, signaling broad industrial and technological growth across the region.
Economy and finance, trends and market updates. Finance sector headlines. Reuters finance coverage shows a variety of movements in global financial markets. Chinese banks are being nudged to disclose their exposure to Venezuela. European plans to develop a continental stock exchange are gaining traction. Berkshire Hathaway enters its post-Buffett era, with shares drifting lower. Hedge funds like Bridgewater and AQR posted strong returns in 2025. Central bank signals. Comments from key U.S. Federal Reserve officials emphasize that rate cuts shouldn't be rushed and that inflation is trending in the right direction. Yet labor market strength means caution persists. Interest rate outlook. Financial analysts, including from UBS, have delayed expectations for future Fed rate cuts, pushing anticipated adjustments to mid to late 2026, reflecting continued uncertainty about inflation and growth.
Technology, innovation and industry movement. Major tech shows and AI focus. As CES 2026 approaches in Las Vegas, technology companies are ramping up their presence with major marketing pushes and new product highlights. NVIDIA, Samsung, LG, and other firms are drawing attention with AI-centered messaging. Self-driving and consumer tech at CES. Reuters reports that self-driving technology and broader AI applications are taking center stage at CES, even as automakers dial back some electric vehicle commitments in favor of broader software and AI innovations. Broader tech industry trends. Financial Times tech coverage notes AI startups challenging major browser markets, ongoing big tech regulatory battles in the EU, and innovations from Meta, Google, and others shaping industry competition.
In summary, Venezuelan leadership is being legally processed in the U.S., stirring markets. Major stock indexes trend higher amid geopolitical developments and AI optimism. The U.S. remains poised for extended productivity growth. Economy and finance. Global financial systems see shifts in risk perception, disclosure requirements, and post-leadership dynamics at major companies. Central banks are signaling caution. Rate cuts are not imminent. Strong hedge fund performance and evolving stock exchange initiatives stand out. Technology. PS 2026 buzz continues with AI front and center. Self-driving and consumer tech innovations are key themes. AI startups and big tech competitive strategies are capturing industry attention.